Hello and welcome to Canning Coffee and Espresso Machines. We're going to do a test shot on a Gaggia. It's already up to temp for steaming, so we're going to steam and then temper down for coffee. So at this point, we'll check the steam real quick. So it's a nice strong steam. And then to temper the temperature cooler, we're going to add water to the tank by pressing the brew button. There we go. Now we'll turn that off. And we will push a little water through the group head. Great. We did a nice new gasket, descaled the machine. Have some nice fresh coffee in there. So let's see how our shot comes out. Oh, look at that, looks great. There we go, just cut it a little short. Nice shot, everything's working great. Thank you so much for the repair. Please like this video, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page. Thank you.